No, wait, redo that. That was so bad. Morning, bitches. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be doing a morning routine. This is my summer 2018 morning routine. Yeah, the first thing that I do, I usually wake up around like 12 or 1. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I'm not an early bird, okay? I don't wake up early, but yeah, the first thing that I do is I check my phone, catch up on everything that I missed while I was sleeping, check my Snapchat, reply back to you guys, and my Instagram comments, Snapchat, Twitter, all that. Okay guys, so now that I'm all caught up on social media, I drag myself out of bed to start my skincare. So the first thing that I do is I put on my contacts because your girl is blind. Thank you so much. Here, oh, we love my Rick and Morty shirt. We love her. Yeah, I'm putting in my contacts because I can't see shit. A lot of people ask me how I put in contacts with acrylic. It's actually not that hard. I just use the side of my finger. But yeah, now I'm washing my hands because you don't want to start washing your face with bacteria all over your hands, okay? So yeah, I wash my hands and then I go ahead and brush my teeth. Also, I just wanted to mention that this video is sponsored by BioClarity. I've been a huge fan of them for months now, so I just wanted to update you guys and let you know that I am still using their products since my last skincare video. So BioClarity is a monthly subscription that uses natural plant-based ingredients, and what makes their products unique is they use an ingredient called Floralux, which has a lot of benefits like reduced redness, collagen production, and speedier cell turnover. I also just wanted to mention that they are 100% cruelty-free and vegan. So there are two routines, the Essentials routine and the Clear Skin routine. I'll be using the Clear Skin routine. I have pretty sensitive and acne-prone combination skin, so this one works perfectly for me, but if you guys do have more normal to dry skin, I would definitely recommend the Essentials routine. So yeah, right here I'm just using the cleanser. I like this a lot because it does not over dry my skin. Super gentle and refreshing for my sensitive skin because of the ingredients like chamomile, cucumber, and green tea. So yeah, just washing my face, drying my face, you guys know the drill. So the next thing I'm going to go in with is the Hydrating Mask, and I love this so much for the morning time. There actually are two face masks, which I'll show you guys in a minute, but this is the one I prefer to use during the daytime. You can hear me right here. Daisy and Shelby were yelling at me because my Postmate came. They were on the phone or something, and I was upstairs filming, so you'll see me go down there in a second. But yeah, I'm just applying this face mask. This is the Glow Getter Mask. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, I'm back. Cool. This video is a hot mess. Okay, anyways. But yeah, I love using this mask during the morning because it softens and hydrates my skin and it makes my makeup application go on super smooth. This is a peel-off mask. They also do have another mask which I prefer to use during the nighttime. It's the Pore Purifier mask. It's more of like a full detox for your skin. I feel like it helps a lot with acne and texture, and it helps to clear out my pores. So yeah, I do prefer using that at night. Maybe if I do a nighttime routine, I'll show you guys that one. But yeah, during the daytime, this is definitely my preferred mask. Yeah, and you guys know how I love getting facials, okay? You guys know that. This mask gives me like the effects of a facial after one use. Like, it makes my skin so soft, so glowy. Amazing. Amazing. We love her. So just wait like 10-15 minutes until it dries up. This is a peel off mask. You're gonna have to peel it off. I suck at applying these and peeling them off. Like, I can never get it off in one go. Can you guys relate? Because you'll just watch, all right? It's full on struggle right here. Takes me a while to take them off, but yeah, I'm just peeling it off strip by strip. All right, just looking for hope. Wow, these faces, man, I can't. If you guys are interested in checking out BioClarity, I will have a link in the description, which will get you 50% off your first month. Yeah, right here is the clarifying mask. This is the one that clears out your pores. It has Floralux, tea tree, and aloe, which are like my favorite things ever, you guys. It's amazing. I love it. Yeah, now I'm using the treat step. So basically, this will help keep your breakouts at bay without irritating your skin. It's not over drying or too harsh on my sensitive skin. It's actually perfect. But yeah, it definitely does calm down my breakouts, control them, prevent them, all that. And now for the last step of my skincare, I use the Restore step, and this basically helps to restore your skin, get rid of redness. This has a green tint to it, so don't worry, you guys. I know it looks kind of scary. It's really, really green, but it doesn't leave a green tint to your face. I'll show you guys a quick before and after right here to show you guys how much this helps with my redness, which is why I love using it in the morning. It also gives my skin an amazing, amazing glow, you guys. I love this. If you guys do struggle with redness, this is perfect for your no makeup days. It kind of just helps calm everything down and give your skin like an even tone. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the skincare. Again, I'll have a link down below. You guys know I've been using these products for months. And now I'm just moving on to the hair. I actually use like one product in my hair. My hair was already in a ponytail from the night before. I had a pretty snatched ponytail because it was my birthday night before, and I had my hair done and I had all these extensions in, blah blah blah. She really snatched my hair, so I just left it in overnight. But yeah, I'm just applying some argan oil in my hair, which is amazing if you guys have damaged hair. It kind of just helps get rid of the frizziness and all that. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for everything in the bathroom. Now that we've assessed all the damage, fixed it, I'm gonna make my way downstairs, making my way downtown. I'm walking fast, faces past, and I'm home now. Yeah, this house is fucking extra as hell. It was an Airbnb that we got for my birthday. I don't actually live here, okay? I just wanted to do a pretty extra, you know, morning routine. Here's Shelby getting ready. We literally in the middle of our Airbnbs, you guys. But yeah, first thing I do when I come downstairs is always get water, you guys. Keep yourself hydrated. Usually I'll just keep water by my bed and I chug it, you guys. I literally drink 5 water bottles a day, like no joke. I love water. We love her, okay? Drink your fucking water. But yeah, then I just went ahead and picked up my Postmates. We ordered Starbucks. Usually I'll just make coffee, you guys, but this is not your typical morning routine, okay? This is an extra ass morning routine. All right, so yeah, now I'm just gonna go ahead and chill outside because it is a beautiful day, all right, in California. Can't wait to move here. But yeah, I'm just chilling outside, checking my phone again, drinking my coffee. And my mom literally calls me like 5 times a day, so this was me talking to her on the phone as always, okay? And then just going back inside. This is literally just like my warm-up for the day, you guys. I'm just gonna grab my laptop and I'm gonna go upstairs. I usually will just grab my laptop, watch some Netflix, watch some YouTube, check my comments on YouTube, reply back, or answer emails. I just do work, basically, catch up on everything. It takes me like a good hour to like fully wake up and warm myself up for the day. I'm just replying to emails, replying back to comments. It was really, really bright outside, so I could barely even see anything. So yeah, going back into the bathroom, I'm gonna start my makeup now. This is actually pretty self-explanatory because I did just do a summer makeup routine. If you guys want to check that out, I'll have that link down below. It's one of my most recent videos. Yeah, I'm just wetting my beauty blender, and if you guys want to see like my full makeup routine, I'm not gonna do it in depth in this video. You guys can definitely check out that video. It's kind of just like my summer sweat-proof everyday makeup routine. Okay, so now onto the hair. This is the hairstyle that I've been doing a lot lately. A lot of you guys wanted me to do like a full in-depth hair tutorial. I've never done a hair tutorial, but let me know if you guys want like a full one on this ponytail I've been doing lately. It's basically just like a super high, super long snatched ponytail. We love her. Yeah, I just use these extensions, clip it in, and then I take that little hair piece, wrap it around, and then bobby pin it. It's super, super simple. And then I'll just brush out the ponytail to make sure that my natural hair doesn't really stand out, although I suck at doing this and it always ends up standing out. All right, you can always see my natural hair, but it's okay, it's cool. All right, it's not that deep. But yeah, now I'm just gonna put in some bobby pins on my baby hairs because they're getting real, you guys. Baby hairs are getting real. All right, yeah, this is the finished hair. I told you guys it was so simple, but if you guys still want a video on how I do it, let me know. But yeah, now I'm just gonna go ahead and change out of these pajamas. Okay, clearly I was having a moment here, but yeah, we're gonna change out of my pajamas into my outfit for the day right here. All right, so this top is from Almighty. It just says like playa, and it's like this little black tie around top. My jeans are from A brand jeans. They're like low-waisted kind of boyfriend jeans. I love these so much. And then I'm just putting on my Nikes, you guys. I wear these every single day. And then I just put on my perfume, which is Black Opium, and grab my little backpack, okay, and walk out the door. All right, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this morning routine. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys want a nighttime routine. I will definitely do that for you guys. But yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Where is it like not disgusting? Oh my god. I'm like running.